Now, whether they take it or not, that's a different story. First stop on a train for an emergency application is going to be Sotomayor, because she's the senior justice that sits over all things New York. She can make the decision and reject the application on the emergency appeal, or refer it over to the full bench, all 9 people. And so somewhere in 2025, if they decide to get involved with immunity, they're going to suck the case up into the United States Supreme Court. There's a good chance they're not going to do that. I'm not sure they want to keep touching this third rail, seeing what happened with the immunity decision and what it unleashed in America. And they don't need to revisit it on this small issue about whether tiny pieces of discrete evidence against Donald Trump, against mountains of evidence against him, inculpatory evidence mattered. They can stay away from it and just say pass and not take the appeal. Now, when it comes to immunity in Trump, they've passed recently. He didn't like the fact that he wasn't able to use the immunity doctrine, Trump, against E. Jean Carroll in the sexual assault, defamation, punitive damage case. Supreme Court doesn't care and has not accepted the appeal, even though Trump's asked for it, when the Second Circuit Court of Appeals rejected Donald Trump's efforts to assert the immunity defense to avoid liability for sexual assault and defamation on E. Jean Carroll. So it's not that clear.